Hi and welcome to another Type with Me. In today's video I want to talk about Hotwire. Hotwire is really an amazing, cool new thing on the block, right? It can create modern apps, but you don't need a single page application framework for it. You don't need a React, you don't need a Next.js, just some cool things instead. So let's go towards the website of it. Hotwire is an alternative approach to build modern web applications without using much JavaScript by sending HTML instead of JSON over the wire. It's always good to look into new ways of creating applications, right? And for that I have multiple steps. The first step is just a plain HTML CRUD application where we have my tasks. We can create or add tasks to the tutorial, and by groceries we just add a task, we do form action tasks, and then you will see that it will trigger a full page reload on submission, and that your content on that page will still stay the same. So if we are going to add here task, I do add task, and you will see here that we are staying on that page. Alright, so in the next one here, when we do a form submission, now everything happens via Ajax, and you will see why, because we have here a script. We add here turbo 730 as a JavaScript to the page. Right, so now we are on this page here. We are at step 2, right? We add here show video, we do show video. You will see here that we still will go to the first page. You see here that we lose slash step 2, right? But we are here again. So next one is go to step 3, turbo frames. And this is an important one. Here you see that this one is now a turbo frame. That's a very important concept to understand within Hotwire. So here you will see that we will have turbo frame, ID new task frame. Here we have form task question mark step 3, and you'll see again that we will have here also our turbo package that is being loaded, and when we do add task you will see that this one will be updated. So if we do here add new task, we do add, you see here that the response is turbo frame, and it's actually this one, right, with the color that's been updated. So if I go and show you the server.js file itself, then you will see here add tasks. We add that to our tasks.push, and here we have if step equals 4 or step equals 5. We add here content through the template, and then we update our new task frame. But if it's step 3, we just return this back, right? But this one is very important because here you see turbo stream and then an action append, and here an action replace. So we can replace a certain turbo stream, or we can append certain things to a turbo stream. So here, for example, you see that we have a turbo stream right here, and you see that we have here task list. Task list is an ID, and if you go to our server right here, you see here target task list. So you don't need to wrap it into a turbo stream, so you can do a turbo frame, and then in that turbo frame you can replace that turbo frame, right? Or you can just append certain things. If we go now to here step 4, turbo frame, we can do something like this: show video, and then you see here we get show video, and here in step 4, if we do here preview, of course step 4, you see here that we get this back. If we now do create tutorial, for example, we do add, here we have here append, create tutorial, and here we have the replacement for this one, right? The last one is here step 5, and here we are using stimulus. And for that we can create some kind of a specific code in our application. So here we have our application in our controller. Here we have stimulus.js, stimulus, we say application.start, and then we do register the local controller, stimulus.register focus, we extend of controller, and then we say focus controller connected this dot element dot focus. And within the controllers, oh, we don't have that one currently, but if you then go down here, you see probably we want to put the focus again when we reload or we replace this block right here in the HTML. So here, if I do add new task, I do add, you see we keep our focus, right? If I go back here and I do this and I say add new task, I do add, we lose our focus, so I need to put my focus back, and that's bad user experience, right? So what I want to do here is I want to add certain things, add another thing, another awesome thing, and I can keep on creating my tasks, and I can keep on creating my tasks, which is very cool, right? Hey, when the form is replaced by turbo, the data controller focus attribute tells stimulus to run the focus logic automatically. And then again here you will see that we have the same kind of turbo stream that we get back. So this is actually what you could do. It's very simple, right? What you need to do, of course, is then turn back parts of your HTML from the server side. So it's again a little bit of a different way of thinking, going back in time a little bit, but it makes things much easier, right? So let me know in the comments below what you think about this approach. Do you like actually Hotwire, or do you think of it? Do you think that this can replace React, or is it just a nice gimmick? And do you think that we still need single page applications? Please let me know what you think about this, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will subscribe to my channel and give this a thumbs up. Very much appreciated from my side. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.